Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Affiliaxa review video, I'd like to hand you over to Gina Babak, who's the owner of Affiliaxa, and he's going to take you through step by step how you can have a low cost entry, no monthly membership costs, and high ticket done for you funnel of over $1,000 on the back end. And this is his strategy. So I'll hand you over to Gina and I'll come to you later on with some more important information.
Beginners. In this video, I will show you how you can go from 0 to thousands per week in profit with affiliate marketing. This will be simple, easy, and fun. Let's dive in. My name is Gina Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach, and traffic vendor for 5 years plus. It took me a lot of time and a lot of money before I started making thousands per week or even per day with affiliate marketing. And now I'm sharing my experience with you to save you time and money. So what do you need, first of all, to start making money with affiliate marketing? Okay, first of all, don't overcomplicate things, okay? Affiliate marketing in a nutshell is a very simple thing, okay? You just need to have access to a good, high-paying affiliate marketing program, and you need to know how to drive traffic to promote your affiliate link. This is it, okay? So what you see right now, this is a roadmap from $17 to 1K per day or per week or per actually minute, okay? It just depends on numbers, okay? It's a numbers game. Now, why I recommend you to actually watch this, because this mind map actually shows you all three phases of preparation phase when you join affiliate program, implementation when you start promoting, and my favorite part is scaling your business to real numbers. So, okay, first of all, I recommend you to join Affiliaxa because you can join Affiliaxa just paying $17 one time, okay? And you'll get access to a high-paying affiliate program to deep funnel, and you'll be able to make from $7 and up to $1,400 per referral. Usually, to make this kind of money, you would need to join a high-ticket affiliate marketing program and pay them 3K or 5K or 6K, okay? Which is actually a frustration for the beginner. Okay, this is why I decided to share this program with you at Affiliaxa. You can join for $17 and still make thousands per week, per day, per minute. Okay. Now, next thing, traffic. Guys, traffic is also as simple, but it's also not easy. There are only two kinds of traffic sources. Traffic sources. It's a paid traffic, or it's a so-called free traffic. With paid traffic, everything's simple because you simply go on Udemy, you buy traffic, you send traffic into the funnel, okay? The funnel starts generating profit for you. Then you simply go to this scale phase, okay? So for example, Affiliaxa funnel allows you to make a lot of money. So in many cases, when you buy traffic on Udemy and you send traffic to Affiliaxa funnel, next couple of days, you will make more money that you spent on traffic. This is what I actually concentrate in my efforts on. So I'm working all the time to make sure that the conversion of the funnel is really high, okay, and people make money really fast, okay? So let's say you purchased traffic for $100 and you made $120, okay? Just reinvest this money into buying more traffic because your real business, your main business is your list, okay? Remember, the money is in the list, and this is actually true because when you have access to, let's say, a bigger list, like let's say thousands of people, you can promote anything to that list. And by the way, did you know that on the Mindchai, you can go and check that every day we have 5 to 12 or even more launches going on Warrior Plus, and you can simply get access to these launches and you can promote to your list, okay, these launches, and people invest a lot of money to create these Warrior Plus launches for you, actually. This is how you can start making thousands per day simply sending emails, simply by sending emails. This is actually why we joined the affiliate marketing game, okay? How cool is that? Now, let me share with you how you can drive a lot of free traffic from social media. Okay, so first of all, we will use TikTok, we will use Instagram Reels, and we will use YouTube Shorts. Okay, I have a lot of videos on my channel about how to create a lot of content, how to use a content marketing strategy, how you can drive traffic from YouTube Shorts, and of course, how you can create short videos really fast, like a lot of them here. So just watch those videos. But in a nutshell, this is how it works. So first of all, let's start from TikTok. For example, you created your TikTok account. You can call it like make money with and your name, for example. Okay, this is how they do it. Next thing, your first goal should be, okay, you will start posting like a lot of videos, 2, 3, 4 videos per day. You need to post, reach your first 1,000 followers. Okay, because when you have 1,000 followers, you will be able to put your link in your profile, in your bio. Okay. Next thing, this is how it works. Let me show you some of the best practices. Okay, if you type side hustles, for example, okay, you will see the top performing videos about actually how to do a side hustle for extra money or something. And some of them, as you can see, have 2.5 bloody millions views, 7, almost 8 million. Do you understand at least how much traffic she got from this shit? Okay. Now, this is the idea how it works. See, check my bio for my favorite side hustle. Okay, this girl also, she replicated. This is not her idea. She replicated the video, one of these guys, and she's simply sharing with people her personal life, blah blah blah. So people see that she is real and start liking her, and this is why it's growing. Okay, but the main idea that at the end, I mean, all this shit that they are promoting, like explaining people how to make $800 per day with this doesn't work. This never works. But it doesn't matter for them, because what they do at the end of the video, they say something like this: okay, but if you wanna check my favorite side hustle, blah blah blah, okay, click the link in my bio and I will show you this thing which I use. And this leads to your affiliate, to her affiliate program. Okay, so this is how it works. And again, watch my videos about how to create this content. You can create content like really fast these days because we have artificial intelligence. So for example, these videos, which you can see right now, 300 views, 300 views, 200 views, 200 views, 200, 100, 200, 200, 200. These videos were created using artificial intelligence with one click. Do you want me to show you how I did this? Check this out. You just go to site which is called Voxel. Okay, I will open it in another window. Okay, you just go to Voxel. You simply register. Okay, and you click idea to videos. Okay, and for example, so next thing you can ask, for example, ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask, okay, the trending topics for trending tools, trending topics. Okay, okay, give me 3 trending topics about making money. Give me 3 trending TikTok topics about making money online. Okay, and we press enter. Okay, and ChatGPT, okay, will show you. Okay, this is in Russian. I don't know why, but okay. Reply in Russian. Okay, query. Okay, stop. Okay, here are 3 trending topics on making money on TikTok. The TikTok Creator Fund, selling merchandise to your fans, and partnering with other brands and influencers. Okay, I love this. Okay, check this out. I will just copy it. Okay. Okay, we go to Voxel and we type it here. Partnering with other brands and influencers to make money. And we click create. how to, and hidden secrets. Click next. And this is where the miracle happens. So what Worksa will do for us, Worksa will just create a really cool videos on this topic, explaining everything to you, how it works, and it will look professionally done. So what you need to do next, okay, what I would do next, I would simply go and by the way, you can create YouTube shorts. You can use this for YouTube shorts as well. I mean, guys, watch my videos. I already created a lot of videos about how to do it fast and everything. But the main idea that one and the same video, which will be created for you right now, and we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. We will have 6 videos you can use to post on YouTube Shorts. Okay, like for example, in my case, see, if you go check my YouTube channel, you will see how many YouTube Shorts I have, and this is how I create them actually. So think, for example, we go here, and these are my YouTube shorts, and I have a lot of them for different topics. Okay, and they are working. They bring me a lot of traffic. Okay, now we see that Voxar created actually 1, 2, 3, 4 videos about the topic, how partnering with other brands and influencers to make money. And again, the quality is really high. Check this out. So see, now what you just need to do, you just need to simply click download, okay? And next thing, okay, let me copy this. I will show you a couple of other cool tricks. So if I go here to my YouTube and click this button, okay, I can even find the good ideas for keywords about this for my YouTube shorts, okay? Getting paid influencer website, again, brand deal. Oh, check this out. Okay, so I can explore the keyword and check this bloody out. We have so good result. This is an excellent score for this exactly keyword, which was created by ChatGPT for us. This is the power. This is the power of the artificial intelligence that we can use right now. And the idea is that I can just download this video. Okay, so I simply download this video. I can even create a playlist with these 4 videos already. And the cool trick is that YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts heavily right now. Just heavily. Why? Because they are trying to compete in this niche with a TikTok. And this is how they actually, this is why, and this is how you can have, see, 10.1 million. I mean, that's amazing. You can drive a lot of traffic just from these videos, which were created by Voxel. Just post them to YouTube Shorts, post them to Instagram Reels, and post them to TikTok. Of course, okay? This is how it works with paid traffic, with free traffic. Cool, guys, this is it. You may find your link to join Affiliaxa down below in the description, and also you'll see other links for the videos regarding social media, regarding content creation, video creation, which I mentioned in this video. Also, you'll find this.
So thank you to Gina there for just giving a very good training on free traffic and how to drive a lot of free traffic to the Affiliaxa funnel. I'll just quickly touch on the free Facebook group here, and he goes live every week in this Facebook group. I've done a few of the videos going inside the members area because I'm a member myself. So I'll put a link on the top comment. I'll pin a link to a playlist where you can have a look at all my other videos and all my other reviews that take you inside the members area of Affiliaxa. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. Excuse me. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. And the joining link for Affiliaxa will be in the description. You can go onto the home page there and look at the bonuses and exactly what you're going to get. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, then please do so. I do several new videos every single week, and my email address will be in the description. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot.